Not so long ago, we got our hands on the new DJI FPV. Unfortunately, we got our hands on it on the day of release. So we were able to give you guys a video about all its incredible specs, how fast it is, exactly what it can do, but we couldn't show you any of the actual first-person view footage. That's the technical movement type. Amanda has finally managed to get her hands on it and actually shoot some footage for you guys. Now, if you want to find out about the specs of the FPV, then pop onto the website. There's loads of information on there, or visit our first video where we talk about all of that for you guys. I'm going to put links to both of those things in the description of this video, but for now we've put together just a really quick reel of demo footage so you can see exactly what the FPV is capable of. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications by clicking that little bell so you don't miss anything that's coming up. But for now, I hope you enjoy this little bit of footage to give you a taste of the DJI FPV.